Alright, I'm out here with one of our new builds, Johnson Group. I'm not with Johnson Group. I'm a salesperson, realtor with Team Vasile. We were asked to market these properties. I'm going to bring you guys through these builds. Whenever I do a new construction build, this is basically what I do. Every step of the process, I take a video of it and send it to you so you can share it with your friends and family. This is just going to be one step. They've graded the property. They've got all the foundation ready. You know, they'll do some digging around there and they'll put some rebar in. But once they actually start doing something real, these are just forms. We'll get a little more detailed into it, but this is how it looks now. It's going to be a great piece of property, and we'll show it to you later.